Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Betron Retro Headphones. Starting off with the unboxing, you can see the specifications on the back. They have 40mm drivers, 32 ohms of impedance, 108 decibels and a frequency response of 20Hz to 20 kHz. Opening the box, you are greeted with the headphones on top, and underneath you will find a carrying case and a discount card. You will also find a manual which when opened just gives you some information on the headphones. The carrying case is made from a nice material and will have no problem carrying the headphones. They have huge ear cups with a nice design all around. The left and right are indicated and the headband is of okay quality, though it isn't as smooth as I would have liked. The headband is also quite flimsy, but that means that if the headphones are dropped on the headband, they will absorb the impact more easily. The ear cups are nice and comfy, a lot of padding is present, and the drivers are covered with mesh. They also stretch out a lot, which is a nice feature. Unfortunately, the tip where the wire comes out is a bit flimsy and might break if you are not careful with them. On a positive note, the wire is braided and also includes a small Betron logo, which unfortunately isn't a button. Apart from that, you have the 3.5mm jack, which is quite solid. This is how the bag looks with the headphones in, and as mentioned before, it has no problem holding them. Putting them on, you can see that they fit nicely and that there is a lot of room for adjustment. They do look quite massive, although the design is great. Moving on to a sound test, you can see that when putting the volume higher, the bass is a lot more present and the bass overall is great. The only problem is that higher frequencies can't be heard as much as the low end, but the low end is amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.